Okay, so I'm a little closer to the camera because I'm wearing the fawn in the Everyday. And this is a style that's not really best designed for me. And that is because the fabric, it gives, but not enough. And it also has stitching under the bust area where most women, that's going to be up against their skin, giving them support, but everyone's going to be different. So this cami does have the ability to crisscross, and you can see these come up higher as it holds things in. So when you crisscross it, it changes the neckline and it does give more lift. But when I do that, you can see that line right there. Yeah, I just end up falling out by the end of the night. Now, this is giving me lift because here's my belly button. And if it doesn't seem like it's giving much lift, well, it is. Anyway, levels 4 and 5 work better for me versus the level 3. And that's just because of the density and the weight of my girls and my proportions. So talking with the stylist kind of helps you and taking your honest measurements. So if you have not taken your measurements yet, get a safe soft tape measure and take them. And if you don't have one, there's different ways of using different devices around your house to measure, and that can kind of give us an idea. Now, we don't have cup sizes, so even though this doesn't have a cup size, I know that certain styles like this one and the sleek shaped tank, the material doesn't give the same as our essential collection in levels 4 and 5. And what I mean by that is, check out this, the style that I'm wearing right now. This is a limited edition color, so it has give, but not much. And the sleek shaped tank also, well, that's further down, and up here it does have, you know, it's a little bit doubled up because there is a, like this style here, there is a pocket for padding. So our level 3 sleek shaped tank and our Everyday are available in this fawn color and black as part of our essential collection, which means that when you purchase 2 or more of those, you're going to save 10% off the bat. You don't even have to do anything else. And then if it's the first time that you've tried Ruby Ribbon, then there's a coupon code that you'll get from your stylist, and we can save you another $15 off that order. Okay, and also what that does, if for whatever reason you didn't take your measurements correctly, or maybe you went with like this style because this is the most budget friendly for our camis, and you're like, okay, it doesn't give me as much support. Yeah, sometimes like a little bit more gives you a lot more. Now, but again, there's hundreds of thousands of women that can definitely wear the styles that don't work for me, because most women are not wearing specialty sizes. So for me, I normally had to pay well over $100 and go to a specialty store. The last bra that I actually tried on that fit, and that was 25 pounds ago, was a 36 in, as in like no way that's a size, but it is. And I'm currently like 33, 46. So that would be, you would size up to that 34 band and then come down from the M cup down to an L cup. So that would be a 34L. That's a lot of girls. Anyway, so cup sizes kind of matters, but it doesn't. And the reason why I say that is because some styles work better if you're in a certain cup range. And for me, this is a size 36. And even though I have a size 33 band, sizing up to the 36 is going to give me more material and more comfort. So, but everyone's different. And if you need to exchange on your first time, it's free. The second time, it's $6.95, or if you decide that you want to get a refund. But please talk to me first. I want to see how you have it placed. Most of the time, most women don't get it up high enough, and we get you to scoot it up, and you're like, oh, that feels so much better. Or if you're busting it out, now if it's like the Everyday, it's not going to give that much. But if it's one of our level 4 or 5, there are ways to open up the cup. But we don't want you doing that until you decided you love the cami everywhere, and then, yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know.